All right, your goal is to make an assembly of your phone holder that looks kind of like this. And you'll notice the narrow part, or the smallest part of the bottom, goes down to this left side here. So we'll use that idea. First of all, I have one part studio with that piece, another part studio with that bottom piece, and here's the upright. So let's make that assembly. So do create assembly, and let's insert those three parts. Let's put that bottom one in there, and then you won't have as many parts in this next one as I do, but go ahead and grab the leg stand. That's what I've been calling it. And I'll just place one of those and another one of those. And then let's grab that upright part and stick that in there. All right. Now I think I have it kind of backwards here, like this. I'll flip this piece around to fit in here. So, see if I can visualize this. That means this little tab goes in that hole. And there's all kinds of ways you can try to figure this out. I'm going to just put a fasten mate kind of in here. Get in there. Let's go right there. See if I can visualize this. So that, when it flips over, is going to go over. Oh boy. Let's see if I can find it here. Into this hole, and let's see if I got that right. And let's flip it. No, not this way. No. Oops, why did I accept that? I'm going to get rid of that. Delete that. Fasten mate. First, get rid of this guy. Did that one wrong. So let's pull that guy away. Let's see if I can do it now. I'm going to put this tab into there. So I'm going to put this corner in right there. See if I can do it this time. But it's on this surface to that surface. Ooh, I think I might have it. Yeah, let's try that. All right, I think I got it. Sweet. So now you'll notice though here that there's some overlap. Looks like it's interfering. See, it's kind of on top of itself there a little bit, or they interfere with each other. I designed it that way so that it will, when the laser cutter cuts it, it will be fine and be nice and tight. So let's put the other one on there. And I'll just do like the inside of this tab here. Let's go over there. And let's put that, ooh, I can't remember. I think it was right. Is it on top or bottom? Let's try that. Yeah. Hey. Ooh, this will move with it once I say okay. Boom. Yeah, we're there. Cool. Now let's put this piece in there. And I'll do, oh, I think I know what to do here. Let's take that center and put it right there. Boom. I think that's good. And look at that. I think we did it. Nicely done.